the lemongrass paste that we did last week. We might as well do some cha kroeung with chicken. Lemongrass paste with chicken. It's coming to you right now. So let's do it. We're gonna do it right now. We're gonna show you the ingredients first, and we can go from there. Okay. Okay. Welcome back to our kitchen. Okay, so last week we did kroeung, right? We did kroeung. The lemongrass paste. So this week might as well use the kroeung You're gonna have to try it at home, okay? It's a very famous tradition, Cambodian food that Cambodian family love. Okay? Okay, let's do it. Let's do it right here, right now. Alright, bye. Lemongrass paste, okay? Probably like what? 2 teaspoons of this, okay? If you don't know how to make the paste, go check out our video that we did last week, okay? And the YouTube channel. Garlic, but don't use too whole. I just wanted this as a example to you, alright? Use like what? Two or three pieces. Alright? Add some chili in there. Give it a little spice it up, because a lot of people like to spice it up. So this one, red and green bell pepper. You know, put one of each. It's nice, it's beautiful. Make it taste good. But chicken, can use any kind of chicken you want. All right. Right now we're just using thigh and drum. Okay, and you can just put as many amount of chicken you want. So chicken heart. Hey, it tastes hella good. All right, this is chicken heart. It tastes really good. Gizzard. Like a gizzard right here. Hey man, this is good, dude. This is a good piece of meat right here, okay? Chicken liver. You gotta get some liver in your body. And you can find all of this at the local market, okay? And also we're gonna put all the description, all of the recipe items and everything is gonna be in the description, okay? So I'm gonna list it all, alright? And how much ounce we use and how much teaspoon we use, so check the description, okay? 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, MSG, optional, some fish sauce. Alright, 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, you know, chicken flavor base soup mix, okay? Hopefully you know what it is. Chicken flavor base, you can find this at your local Asian market, okay? Right here. And some sugar. Probably about like what? 3 teaspoons of sugar. Okay? We'll list the description, all the ingredients and everything in the description below. Okay? And okay, let's do it. Let's get to it. water is gone. You see all that sauce coming out right there?
What you see?
Make sure the juice of the lemongrass paste. Stir everything up. Make sure everything is all in together, mixed nice and even. So that's getting nice and thick. Look, all the water is starting to go down. All the sauce, the water from the chicken. Right there. Now you'll be almost ready. See, you want it like that. The water will go down, so don't worry. It gotta be like 10 to 12 minutes, maybe in 15 minutes. The water will go down, so don't be scared, okay? Just let it marinate in there, in the pot, alright?
Okay.
Okay, so now we are ready to put in the veggies. Chili. Onion.
Bell pepper.